I was so excited when I found this little wooden furniture set while thrifting. Seriously, I searched for months for a set that was solid enough to survive my 1 and 3-year-old sons. But it definitely needs a little makeover. I started by removing the old cushions and fabric. Then I gave everything a light sanding so that the new paint adheres better. When redoing kids' toys, safety is so important, especially with children who still put things in their mouths. That's why I decided to use ECOS Lullaby Paints. I looked at a few different paint options that meet toy safety standards, but ultimately chose this one because it's designed with babies in mind. Plus, the 2-ounce sample sizes are perfect for little projects like this one. Everything needed 2 to 4 coats, but it dries pretty quickly, so I didn't have to wait long in between. I ordered an extra white sample so I could mix new colors too. Out of all of them, the French blue is my favorite, and it worked out splendidly that I already had some cotton muslin that matches it perfect. I measured the couch and sewed a simple rectangle, then filled it with cotton batting. To make the cushions look tufted, I sewed a line down the center and then 2 vertical lines. Then I secured it with a little hot glue. And I added a couple little throw pillows to complete the look. I used the same method to make new mattresses for the beds too. I decided to use an old handkerchief for the kitchen curtains. My older son really loves to pick flowers, so the embroidered daisies on it makes it feel extra special. After using the old curtains to measure, I hemmed the edges and hand sewed the new curtains in place. Here's the final look. Simple, durable, non-toxic, and ready for play. If there's a toy that you want to repaint, I definitely recommend giving ECOS a try. I don't have an affiliation with them, I'm just really happy with their products. And I don't have to worry as much when my 1-year-old chews on the back of the toilet, or a lamp, or this chair. Yeah. Anyways, I plan to paint this little car next. Thanks for watching. See ya!